I was just to make sure to tell you guys Ashley is about to go and play football. And then my bell just ring. It's definitely your mate. Look at him. Getting water ready. I'm about to cook. But dude is about to go and play football. And I hope this is the first time that he's going to play football after 3 weeks that he had the joint issue.
Goodbye.
Bye. See you later. I'm about to start cooking. So let's go and cook jollof rice. Jollof rice, jollof rice, jollof rice, jollof rice. I bring out my beef to be melting. The beef is already washed before. So I'm mixing it with turkey. I don't have so much turkey. That's the reason why I'm mixing it. Hi. Hey. Somebody have come to say hi to me. Liam. Ashley coach, I've already got Ashley, but Ashley's friend is here to also call him. Mommy. Yeah. Mommy. No, Ashley is showing cheese. And Ashley was even telling me. He said Aman's father is coming to pick him, but there comes his coach. I don't know. He said it. He said Aman's father said he is coming to pick him. And I'm like, did they put it in the forum? He said yes. They don't put it in the forum. If he put it in the forum, coach will not come by himself to pick Ashley up.
Very spending.
Okay, and I will look for some baby now. Ani stimedare nebo. Ono kena nyana medare for we but see gan boga gan. What did I tell you? How can I call you? Only give me. Mana gelo. So we have green paprika and yellow paprika and onions, and I have what's it called? Um, I have parsley. Ada is back. Ìyẹn mú ọ̀sẹ̀bù ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀sẹ̀bù ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀dọ̀nẹ̀wòlò. Mo máa ń rẹ̀ I bet I don't think. But I don't hear that. Hi. Hi, Dada. Salt, ginger, hot chili. Look at who's back home. How was your day?
Busy.
Sorry. Thyme. Rosemary. Already select what I'm going to use. It's select chicken and beef. No. Yeah, you lay down a bit, no problem. Curry. Garlic is missing. Roasted paprika. Garlic. Look at Liam.
Welcome, Mr. Boot. Mr. Boot, welcome. Welcome, Mr. Boot.
What is grandma doing to you, Liam? Say
Good.
this you mommy buy it for next month, for next 3 months, not
You
now.
are a bulldozer. Yes. Move. Go on, go on. Go, go, go.
Come to mommy. Come here. Come here, you big boy.
Come, no. Come here.
Grandma said no. Come here. Hey, Liam, come here. Come to mommy. Hey, da. So you're not a big boy. Oh. Even walking with the shoe. Oh, super. And he's looking walking with that shoe perfectly. Do you like it? You sure like it. Do you like the shoe? Huh? You like the boot? I bought him a rain boot for September use. When it's time for rainy.
Yeah.
And he's walking with it perfectly. Bay leaf. Forgot it before. So yeah, it's my tomatoes for my stew to make my jollof rice.
Don't forget.
So now we're gonna make this stew now.
Doesn't come in.
No, make a silver. Okay, dry.
No.
Sorry, one in a walk you over for going. Not a boy. Ne tomato si veni buona. E me froze. It dry.
Anyway, we no point.
Ne so on.